If you're struggling to convert leads into sales, it's not because your offer sucks. It's because you're selling to the wrong audience at the wrong time. Most entrepreneurs and businesses make this fatal mistake. They treat every lead the same way. But the truth is, your buyers go through 5 distinctive psychological stages before they're ready to buy. And if you don't meet them where they are, they'll ghost you. They will scroll past you or choose competition instead. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 stages of buyers and showing you how to sell at each stage. Plus, stay till the end because I'll share my proven AI-driven sales system to automate the entire process so you can convert more leads on autopilot. So here's the 5 stages of buyers. Stage 1 would be the problem unaware. They are cold leads. These are people who don't even know they have a problem. They think everything is fine, but actually struggling without realizing it. This is where it begs the question of how to sell to them. This is where we're going to educate them through storytelling, social proof, data-driven insights. Use curiosity-driven content like why your marketing is failing and you don't even know it. AI tip for this that you can implement is you can use AI-driven analytics to find untapped pain points your audience isn't aware of it yet. So the next stage would be the stage 2, which is problem aware, warming up stage. This is where customers in their journey, in their stage, they are warming up. They kind of know that they have a problem, but they just don't know how to solve them. But at this stage, they now realize they have a problem and they don't know how to fix it. So the question that comes up would be how to sell to them. So in this stage, we can offer lead magnets that position you as a trusted expert. Example, take this free quiz to discover the biggest gap in your business. AI tools or AI tips that we can do for here would be we can have an AI powered chatbots to engage and guide them through their pain points. And in stage 3, this is where they are looking to research, validation, and they're actively evaluating. So it could be from stage 1, stage 2, or sometimes they just go straight here, but maybe they're looking from somewhere else. So this stage, they are now looking for a proof and validation before making decisions. So this begs the question of how to sell to them. Provide authority, building content like in-depth case studies, expert interviews, product demos. These are the things that they wanted to look for. And these are the strategies that you can start implementing in your business. And this will be more relevant and it will resonate more with this stage of where the customer is. Offer interactive experiences like live Q&A sessions or strategy calls. These are also some strategies that you can try and implement and see which one would resonate even more to your customer at this stage. Let's have an example, like see how businesses just like yours scaled using AI. So it would depend on what is your business and how you can speak to the audience specifically. But in this stage, we can start thinking about implementing AI by using AI-driven personalization to recommend the best solution based on their behavior. So now we're past stage 3, and this is where it is the 4th stage, and this is where they're kind of close to going to make a decision. This is a stage where they want to gather all the information. They're considering solutions. That means you are one of the potential shortlisted solution that they're looking for that can solve their problem. So at this stage, they're actively searching for solutions and they're comparing options from different companies, from different brands. So of course, another question will pop up would be, how do we sell to them? So if you want to stand out from your competition, you need to provide authority. So with authority, we're going to talk about building content like case studies, webinars, testimonials. Offer free strategy sessions to demonstrate your expertise. So one of the example strategies that you can talk about is how I help 50 coaches scale to 100K in less than 90 days. And an AI tip that we can implement here is you can use AI-driven email sequences to nurture and handle objections automatically, because they are thinking, they're seeing what is the market going on, because right now they are looking for the right solution that will speak to them, that will resonate with them, and that would also feed their need of nurturing. And now we have reached to the step 5. This stage, step 5, would be where I want to buy now. These are the hot buyers. They are ready to buy right now, but they just need a final push. So the question would be how to sell to them. So these are very commonly practiced, and the way we approach this is to create urgency and scarcity. Let's say, for example, only 3 spots left this month, and this will have frictionless checkout, fast onboarding. So how do we apply AI into this? Is that we're going to use AI-driven qualification funnels to pre-screen high-ticket leads automatically. So we have talked about the stages, we have talked about how we can apply AI, and we have also talked about how we can even apply not just AI, but the strategies on how we can communicate to each customer on their respective stage. And now we're going to talk about an AI-driven sales strategy to convert leads. The bigger question would be how to automate and scale the sales process. So the first that we can do is we're going to create an AI-driven content marketing. Use AI to create personalized content for each buyer stage. Second is we're going to talk about AI nurturing sequences. We can automate follow-ups, so no leads is left behind. The next stage that we're going to go over would be the AI sales funnels and booking automation. AI qualifies leads, books calls, and even closes sales without you lifting a finger. Why it works? AI operates 24/7, converting leads while you sleep. If you want to implement this AI-driven systems to get more sales while doing less work, grab my free AI sales funnel blueprint, and the link is in the description below. Drop a comment. Where do you think your audience is stuck right now? And I'll reply with tailored advice. So if this video helped you, hit that like, subscriber button below and turn on that notification, because I will be dropping AI powered businesses videos every week for you to be able to continue and implement into your business. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.